Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also too well. A long time we are affected COVID-19, that means coronavirus. We love our country, we love our population of our country, we love himself. So we stay at home, safe himself. I am MD Kamrujjaman Kajol, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I discuss about higher mathematics, chapter 8.3, trigonometric ratios of many angles. First we draw x o x prime and y o y prime are two axes. In first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, we take any point p, x, y. In anticlockwise direction, we draw perpendicular Pn on OX from P and join OP. Here, angle NOP equal theta and angle PNO equal 90 degree. So, triangle PON is a right angle triangle. Here OP equal hypotenuse equal R, let PN equal Y equal height or perpendicular side. ON equal X equal base or adjacent side. From this figure we get sin theta equal PN divided OP, that means height divided hypotenuse equal Y divided R. Cosec theta equal OP divided PN, that means hypotenuse divided height equal R divided Y. Cos theta equal ON divided OP, that means base divided hypotenuse equal X divided R. Sec theta equal OP divided ON, that means hypotenuse divided base equal R divided X. Tan theta equal PN divided ON, that means height divided base. Tan theta equal Pn divided On, height by base, that means Y divided X. Similarly, cot theta equal On divided Pn, that means base divided height equal X divided Y. Now we extend Pn to NQ and join OQ. In fourth quadrant, in clockwise direction, here QON equal minus theta, because this is situation is fourth quadrant, and angle ONQ equal 90 degree. So triangle QON is a right angle triangle. Here OQ equal hypotenuse equal R, let QN equal minus Y equal height ON equal X equal base. From this figure we can get sin minus theta equal height divided hypotenuse, that is QN divided OQ, that means minus Y divided R equal minus sin theta. Cosec minus theta equal hypotenuse divided height, that means OQ divided QN. R minus Y equal minus cosec theta. Cos minus theta equal, we can write base divided hypotenuse, that means ON divided OQ equal base x divided r equal cos theta. Sec minus theta equal hypotenuse divided base, that means OQ divided ON equal r divided x, that means sec theta. Tan minus theta equal height divided base, that means UN divided NO or ON equal minus y divided x equal minus tan theta. Cot minus theta equal base divided height, that means ON divided QN equal x divided minus y equal minus cot theta. So we see that sin minus theta equal minus sin theta, cosec minus theta we get minus cosec theta, cos minus theta we get cos theta, sec minus theta we can get sec theta, tan minus theta we get tan theta, cot minus theta equal minus cot theta. Already we know this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant 90 degree minus theta, second quadrant 180 degree minus theta, third quadrant 270 degree minus theta, fourth quadrant 360 degree minus theta. That means 90 degree first quadrant, second 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. It produces circle and we can get 360 degree. So we see that there is a 360 degree. Okay. Again 90 degree plus theta, that means second quadrant, 180 degree plus theta, that means third quadrant, 270 degree plus theta, that means fourth quadrant, 360 degree plus theta, that means first quadrant. So we see that in first quadrant 90 degree minus theta or 360 degree plus theta. In second quadrant 180 degree minus theta or 90 degree plus theta. Third quadrant 270 degree minus theta or 180 degree plus theta. Fourth quadrant 360 degree minus theta or 270 degree plus theta. Okay, in first quadrant all positive trigonometric function, all positive, that is sine, cos, sec, cosec, tan, cot are positive. Otherwise second quadrant we see that second quadrant sine inversely cosec, that means in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, otherwise negative. In third quadrant tan and inversely cot positive, otherwise negative. In fourth quadrant cos or sec positive, otherwise negative. Okay, method of determining the trigonometric ratio of n into pi by 2 plus minus theta, where 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. The following steps, we see that the following steps, there are, we see that 3 steps. If we 3 steps get, we know 3 steps, then we solve any mathematics term. Okay, number 1 step, we are to divide the given angle into 2 parts. Given angle we are divided 2 parts, where one part is multiple of n of pi by 2 or pi by 2 and the other part is an acute angle. That is, we are to express the given angle in the form n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Example, we see that sine 300 degree. So we can write express equal sine 3 into 90 degree. So 90 degree, that means pi by 2 into 3. The value of n here 3. 3 into 90 degree. 390 degree plus 30 degree. That means it makes 300 degree. Okay. Another way we see that sine 300 degree. Okay. Equals sine 4 into 90 degree. That means 490 degree, 4 into 90 degree minus 60 degree. So it makes 300 degree. Okay, number 2. If n is even, the ratio remains same, that is sine remains sine, cos remain cos, tan remain tan, sec remain sec, cosec remain cosec, etc. That means we see that n, if n is even number, so there is no change. Okay, if n is odd number, the ratio will be changed, that is sign interchange cos, cot change sin, tan change cot, cot change tan, sec tan, sec change cosec, cosec change sec. So we see that n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. If n is odd number, then the trigonometric ratio are change. Sin change, it will be cos, and cot change, it will be sin. Tan change cot, cot change tan. Sec change, it will be cosec, cosec change, it will be sec. Number 3, after knowing the position in the quadrant of n into pi by 2 plus minus theta, we have to put the sign of ratio, determine step 2. Okay. I like to mention the line, all the students take chemistry. So here all that means first quadrant, all positive. All the student in second quadrant, the first letter of student S, that means sign inversely cosec in second quadrant positive, otherwise negative. All the student take that means third quadrant, first letter take T, so tan and inversely cot, they are positive in third quadrant, otherwise negative. All the student take chemistry, that means fourth quadrant, first letter C, so cos inversely sec, cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant, otherwise all the ratio are negative in fourth quadrant. Now we solve this math, uh, exercise 8.3 page 202. 7.1 sin 7 pi, find the value sin 7 pi. So first step, we convert 7 pi n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Okay, sin 7 pi equal, sin 7 pi we can write 14 pi by 2, sin 7 pi equal 14 pi by 2, sin 14 pi by 2, pi by 2 multiple 14 plus 0 degree, so it makes 7 pi, 14 pi by 2 plus 0 degree equal. Okay, first we see that who is this quadrant. Okay, pi by 2, the coefficient of pi by 2 we get 14, so positive side x x number 1, starting point this positive direction of x, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. This is attack second quadrant, this is attack second quadrant 14. But we see that this after sign plus, so it passing through, if we sign plus, it passing through third quadrant, attack second quadrant, but we see that we see that plus sign, so it's passing through third quadrant, but we know that third quadrant sign negative, so minus. Again we see that 14, that 14 is even number, so it is no change, sign remain sign, so minus sign 0 degree, minus sign 0 degree. What is the value of sign 0 degree? We know sign 0 degree value 0, so minus sign 0 degree equal 0. This is the solution. Okay, 7 into, okay, cos 11 pi by 2, already we convert 11 pi by 2, so cos 11 pi by 2 plus 0 degree or minus 0 degree. Okay, we get cos 11 pi by 2 plus 0 degree. So here we see that xx and yxs 11, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so this is the attack in third quadrant, but we see that there is a plus sign, so passing through fourth quadrant, but we know in fourth quadrant cos always positive, so plus, so plus again 11 pi by 2, coefficient of pi by 2, that means we get 11 multiple of n, 11 n equal 11, so 11 is odd number, so odd number, since it is odd number, so it is change cos change sine. Okay, we get, so cos change sine 0 degree. Okay, sine 0 degree equal 0. This is the solution. Number 7 in 3, cot 11 pi. First we convert 11 pi, there is a two part. 11 pi equal 22 pi by 2. 90 degree into n, that means 11 pi equal 22 pi by 2. Okay, cot 22 pi by 2 plus 0 degree. So first we see that who is this quadrant 22, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. We see that this is attack second quadrant, but we use here plus sign, so passing through third quadrant. So we see that in third quadrant cot positive, so plus. Okay, we see that 22 even number, so it is no change, so cot remain cot, so cot 0 degree. We know that cot 0 degree, what is the value of cot 0 degree? Cot 0 degree undefined. Okay, 7 number 4, 7 4. Okay, 10 minus 23 pi by 6. We know that tan minus theta equal minus tan theta, so tan minus 23 pi by 6, that means minus tan 23 pi by 6. Then 23 pi by 6 we convert n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Okay, the coefficient of pi by 6, here we see that 23 divided 6 equal 3.833. This is a approximate of 3.8, that means let us suppose 3.8, that means approximate 4. So 4 minus 10 4 pi. Okay, minus pi by 6 or minus pi by 6 or pi by 6. Okay, we justify here LCM 6 into 4 pi, that means 24 pi. 24 pi plus pi, that means 25 pi, but we see that here 23 pi, so 4 into 4 pi into 6, that means 24 pi. 24 pi minus pi, that means 23 pi by 6. So here is use, we sign, here is use sign minus, so 10 minus 23 pi by 6 equal minus 10 4 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, then 4 pi, so we write minus 10 8 pi by 2 minus pi by 6. Okay, then 10 8 pi by 2 minus pi by 6, 8 pi by 2, the coefficient of pi by 2 here 8. So we calculate quadrant 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is attack in fourth quadrant. Okay, in fourth quadrant. Then we see that here we use minus sign, so attack fourth quadrant, it is no passing through first quadrant, so it is remain in fourth quadrant because here we use minus sign. Okay, in fourth quadrant we know that tan negative, here negative, here tan negative, so minus minus it makes plus. Okay, 8 pi by 2, coefficient of 8, n equal 8, 8 is even number, so 10 remain 10, so 10 pi by 6. Okay, 10 pi by 6, that means tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the value of this method. Okay, 7 8. Cos minus 20 pi by 6. First we see that cos minus theta equal cos theta, so we can write cos minus 25 by 6 equal cos 25 pi by 6. Okay, its coefficient pi by 6 25. So 25 divided 6, that means 4.166. Let us suppose 4.16 is, that is approximate 4. Okay, so we get then cos 25 pi by 6 equal cos 4 pi plus pi by 6. Okay, here is the LCM 6 into 4 pi, that means 24 plus pi, so 25. It's here minus, so we see that 23, it is right, but here you see that 25, so here we sign use plus. 24 plus pi, that means 25 pi by 6. Okay, then cos 4 pi, that means 8 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Okay, 8, we see, calculate now quadrant first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 8. So 8, it is attack 8 in fourth quadrant, but here we use plus sign, so it passing through first quadrant. Here attack fourth quadrant, but here we use plus sign, so it's passing through in first quadrant. We know that this is first quadrant, all ratio are positive, so plus. Okay, then we see that coefficient of pi by 2 8, that means n value, this is the value of n equal 8, so 8 is even number, so it is cos no change and cos remain cos, so cos pi by 6, cos pi by 6, that means cos 30 degree equal cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2. This is the solution. Okay, number 81, prove that cos 17 pi by 10 plus cos 13 pi by 10 plus cos 9 pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10. Okay, left hand side, cos 17 pi by 10 cos 13 pi by 10 plus cos 9 pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10. Okay, first we see that pi by 10, 17 pi by 10. Here is the 17 by 10 divided 1.7. Let approximate 2. So we count cos 17 pi by 10. That means here 2. That means 2 pi minus 3 pi by 10. Here is the LCM 10. 10 into 2 pi. That means 20 pi. 20 pi. If we add 20 pi plus 3 pi, that means get 23 pi by 10, but we see that 17 pi, so 20 pi minus 3 pi, that means 17 pi by 10. Okay, again cos 13 pi by 10, so 13 divided 10, that means 13 divided 10 we get 13 divided 10 we get 1.3, 1.3. So 1.3, that means let us suppose 1, approximate 1, so cos 1, that means 1 into pi, that means pi plus 3 pi by 10. Here LCM 10, so 10 into pi, that means 10 pi, 10 pi plus 3 pi, that means 13 pi. If we use minus sign, 10 pi minus 3 pi, that means 7 pi, so it is not a correct. So it's correct we use plus sign, because 10 pi plus 3 pi, that means 13 pi. Again similarly 9 pi by 10, 9 divided 10, that means 0.9, so it is approximate 1, so we can write cos 9 pi by 10, it says cos pi minus pi by 10. Here is the LCM 10, 10 pi minus pi, that means 9 pi by 10. So we use, here we use minus sign. If we use plus sign, so 11 pi by 10, but we see that here 9 pi by 10, so we use here minus sign, pi minus pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10, this is no change, there is same. Okay, this line, then we can get 2 pi, that means 4 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 10 plus cos pi, that means 2 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 10 plus cos pi, that means 2 pi by 2 minus pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10. Okay, now we calculate this quadrant. This is now calculate quadrant. 4 pi by 2, we see that 4 pi by 2, 1 2 3 4, this is attack fourth quadrant. Then we see that minus sign, so it is remain in fourth quadrant. If we plus, it pass through first quadrant, but we see that there is a minus sign, so 1 2 3 4, there is a attack fourth quadrant in cos positive or negative, so cos positive, so we can get cos plus value. Okay, minus 3 pi by 10. Okay, 4 pi, n equal 4, 4 is even number, so cos no change, so cos remain cos, so cos plus cos 3 pi by 10. Okay, next term cos 2 pi by 2, that means 2 pi, 1 pi, that means 2 pi, 1 2, this is attack cos 2 pi by plus 3 pi by 10, 2 pi by 2, that is attack second quadrant. But we see that in we use plus sign, so it's attack second quadrant and it's passing through in third quadrant because there is we use plus sign. In third quadrant we see that in third quadrant cos always negative, so minus we get pi by 2 coefficient of n value 2, so n equal 2, so 2 is an even number, so no change, cos. Okay, so minus cos pi by 10, so cos pi by 10, so we see that cos 2 no change, but in third quadrant cos negative, so minus, and cos no change, cos pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10, cos 3 pi by 10 minus cos 3 pi by 10, this is cutting, and minus cos pi by 10 plus cos pi by 10, this is cutting, so there is remain 0, so equal right hand side, so equal right hand side. Okay, this is a proved. Okay, homework HW 7475767782838485. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.